Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia Shanice. Today's hair review is going to be on Celie's hair. This is the package that I received. It does have a headband wig in the box. So it only came with the wig. It does come in this nicely placed bag. It does have all the information on the front. This is a 16-inch headband wig. This wig is nicely wrapped with a net, and it does have the paper on the inside to keep its form. So this headband wig is not made like the rest of the headband wigs. The cap that's made with this headband wig, you do have a lot of breathing space. As you can see how it's made, all of that is spaces in between where your hair underneath can breathe. It also has 3 combs at the top and there's 1 at the bottom. On me, this wig fits perfect. I do have a 22.5 circumference head, and it does have like a medium fit. This was not too big and not too small. When I tell y'all this wig fit perfectly, it fit perfect. It does have a little bit of stretch, but not too much stretch, where if you do have a large amount of hair underneath, it would probably not be able to fit your head. So I had already braided my hair down and created some baby hairs. These baby hairs are fake baby hairs. They are a little bit darker, but it blends very nice with my headband wig. My hair naturally isn't that dark, and I hate to say it, but you can hardly ever see my baby hairs. So I did go ahead and do the fake baby hairs this time and install the wig. I do want to place my cap, my wig cap, over my braids just to protect my braids. I am just going to unlatch the headband part and just secure it onto my head. Again, you will see me pulling this wig just to show you how it does not move. If you were getting a fight, this wig is not going to move at all. I'm just going to hook all the combs together, and look, it has no movement, even with the headband not being secured. So this wig is perfect. Now, this is a 16-inch wig. It is very silky, very soft. It has no flyaways with this wig at all. It is very soft, very silky, does look natural. It is a little bit thin, but I do go back and add some curls just to try to give it a little bit more volume. It does look true to length, but the ends are a little bit thin to me. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that now. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Again, this is Celie's hair. This is a 16-inch headband wig. This wig is very soft, very silky. It does hold a curl really good. The color of this wig is black. It is not a natural brown color, so it does appear very dark. This wig fits perfectly on my head. If you do have a medium-sized head, this wig will be perfect for you. It does hold a curl very nice, and then it gave a little bit more volume once you curl the hair. You cannot see no tracks in between this headband wig, and you can put this wig up if you needed to. But Celie did definitely a good job with this wig. Very convenient, very affordable, and very easy. If you need something simple, this will be the perfect wig for you.